Hey everybody, welcome back to TAZ's Wig Closet at Wig Studio One. Today I'm going to present a brand new style by Belle Tress. We all love the original Caliente style by Belle Tress. Now they have one in a 16-inch. I purchased this wig style with my own funds. You can find it at Wig Studio One. If you drop below this video and expand the description box, I'll attach a direct product link there. That link will take you directly out to the Wig Studio One website where you can see all of the colors and pricing. Remember that Belle Tress is an automatic 30% off at checkout at Wig Studio One. If you have any questions, please reach out to support@wigstudio1.com, and don't forget the private Facebook group called the Wig Studio One Wig and Topper Support Group. Caliente. We love the original Caliente, and I do have a comparison coming on the TAZ's Wig Charm channel. If you're not subscribed, be sure to do so. I do some shorter, little, lighter fare videos over there that will just help and inspire and assist you in your wig journey. All of those links are also below. So Caliente 16. It is, as it suggests, about 16 inches long. Everything else is exactly the same as the original Caliente. So it's really believable that it's like a grown-out Caliente. You could certainly use them as more of a progressive grow-out sister style option. And I love that about the Belle Tress wigs, because you can always find a great sister style. You can always find an alternative color. And you can always find something if you want to work on a grow out situation. There's just something available. So one of the things that I've noticed that is not so apparent on the shorter version of Caliente is the fact that it doesn't have much layering. So it's more of a blunt cut. There's no graduated layering at the bottom. So you're going to get a little heavier of a weight line all the way around. It's pretty much the same 16-inch length all the way around. But it still features about a 7-inch piece right off of the front. I love that because it makes it easier to wear right around the face. And then this piece here in the front is about 15 inches. So that, again, no graduated layering on the sides. This one also features a temple-to-temple lace front and left monofilament side part. However, it does extend back into the ear tab. That lace front does extend back into the ear tab. Very nicely done. I am loving these cap upgrades by Belle Tress. No visible seams. And then with the left part, you should be able to get the illusion of scalp at least halfway back through this crown. The weight on this one, on the 16 inch, is about 4.8 ounces. This Caliente is a part of that Cafe collection and is made from the heat-friendly fiber. Each fiber is really soft and buttery smooth. It reacts really well just to manipulation of my hand, the heat of my hand. When it first came out of the box, I just gave it a shake and applied it. And then I coaxed out what little contour was there because, as you know, that's how I like to wear my styles. Just a little bit of lift at the front there to show off that beautiful lace front and balance out some of the volume. Now this Caliente, due to the lack of layering, is more of a thicker density, even though the fibers are baby fine. It does have a lot of fiber here. And so it's going to drag the collar quite a bit. There's going to be some friction here. That's going to probably cause more tangling and things at the nape or anywhere it's dragging the clothing. This will be one of those styles you're going to have to use a little extra maintenance to be sure to detangle and prepare and maintain the style. One of the suggestions that I would have to extend the life of the style would be to wear it up every other time or so. So anytime you can get that fiber off of the neck and away from the clothing, it's going to reduce friction and therefore it will extend the life of your style. So for all of you out there that really love this length, Belle Tress does an amazing 16-inch length. And you like the original Caliente, I think you're going to adore this one, but do expect a little bit of a heavier look and heavier feel on the 16-inch. It makes sense, right? So let's briefly touch on this color, Tres Leches Blonde. That translates to 3 milks. You've got a really light, creamy blend of a neutral, warm, and cool blonde mixed in there. And I say it's creamy because it's really soft. There's not a whole lot of variation between the blondes. And then all of that on a light brown root. This is lighter of a root compared to some of the other colors. Permatease. There's very little permatease on this style. There's no palpable permatease here. Maybe just a little bit of pre-tease in certain areas to cover wefting, but none of the soft, pillowy kind of permatease. You're not really going to get a whole lot of round volume. This really does fit kind of flush to the head with a lower profile and that heavier weight line with the curl at the bottom. So let's try with glasses. I expect it to work wonderfully, just like the other Belle Tress Cafe collection. Yes, glasses fit beautifully between the ear and the ear tab. So let's go ahead and just manipulate this. And so you can see the movement, just the decadence of it. And I'll put it up in some updos. We'll do an ear tuck. Everybody have a great day. We'll see you soon right here on Taz's Wig Closet.